What's the meaning of beddy-bye? Beddy-bye. Beddy-bye.
Beddy-bye. Beddy-bye. Beddy-bye is a colloquial expression that often refers to the act of going to bed or going to sleep. It is most commonly used as a playful way of telling children or pets that it's time to go to bed. The origin of this term is not entirely clear, but it is likely a variation of the word bed, which has been used in English since the 14th century. Some linguistic experts suggest that beddy-bye may have originated from baby talk or the language used when speaking to infants. Overall, beddy-bye remains a popular and endearing term for indicating that it's time to hit the hay.